Mine is multiplication, measurement, and bigger picture. Like visualizing in your mind.
My math goals are conversions with measurement, and adding and subtracting fractions. And then my reading goals are recognizing adverbs, verbs, adjectives, and I think nouns. My math SMART goals are finish subtraction and extra math, and converting map distance to real distance. And my reading goals are improve my predicting skills and my unknown words.
My SMART goals are telling time and converting between mixed numbers, and predicting and summarizing and reading.
My two reading goals are fuzzy vocabulary, which is unknown words, and visualizing. And my two math goals are division with remainders and determine polygons with the angles.
My SMART goals are like subtraction and for math, and I have like visualizing and predicting for reading. Some of my skills are like algebra, and I have like data analysis for math. And then for reading I have like antonyms and some figurative language.
Working on translations in 10th grade geometry and persuasive writing.
I think SMART goals are important because you get extra time to work on things that you're not the best at, and then when you go take a big test, you'll be better at it because you worked on it more.
I think it's like a chance for you to be better at something.
I think you get to work on something more that you haven't worked on and you're not that good at it. And so like in class when we have like guided study or anything, we get to work on SMART goals, and that gives us more time to work on something that we need to work on.
I think it's important because like it can help you get like if you have a trouble with something, you like, but you can get better and better, and when you achieve the SMART goal, you really good at it.
I think it's important because it's like our launch program, it's tailored learning to like for us. So like during guided study, we're not doing all the same thing while doing something that we need to improve on.
I think guidance study is important because we're working on stuff that we're not that good at and that we don't know right, but then you get it better and you know it.
I think it helps you get better at something.
It improves your math scores.
Because it helps you work on something you're not very good on.
So that we can like get like higher math scores, and then we can improve on the places that we're not so good at.
So like I think same thing's Oriana about like to improve the things that we aren't as good at.
Because like if we didn't have SMART goals, like if we didn't get something and it wasn't all school year, we wouldn't know what to do.
It's hard when you feel like you're not improving, and because like you don't really want to work on it because you're not very good at it usually.
That like you have to keep pushing yourself to improve, but you really don't want to.
It's something you're not good at.
Some of your goals are really hard to pass.
So maybe like since you're not that good at that, you want to get better at it. So it might be like difficult in the beginning, then it might get like easier. Feel like you actually achieved the goal.
Definitely when you can't solve a problem and you have to work on it because you have to push yourself to get better at it. That's pretty hard.
It's like a really, it's like you choose a really, really hard SMART goal that you really don't get. So you're like working on it and you really just can't pass this once you've like worked on it so much. And when you like have art, you think you've done one, but then you have to wait to get tested.
And if it's like really hard to like achieve the SMART goal because like it takes you a lot of time.
Something that I find difficult about SMART goals is when you really can't figure something out and you don't really have it, so you have to keep on going and it takes you a really long time to achieve it.
I think it's somehow difficult because like how like much you have to do it. Like you have because if you don't understand something, it could take a really long time for you to actually really know it.
And like something difficult, for example, when I go on my Excel for one of my math goals, when I get an answer wrong, I get frustrated because I really tried hard with that question. So like the difficult thing about it is when I have to keep practicing and practicing more, and like sometimes it begins to get too much in me, and so I have to take a break. So it really is kind of difficult.
I like the feeling of achieving a SMART goal when I do it because then I feel like I know the goal and I can do it.
I like that too, and I also like how it's like just for me and not everyone else is learning the same thing.
Probably I connect you to Ava. I think is that you feel confident that you can achieve something that you really have trouble on. So it feels so good when you achieve it.
I like when I feel that I've improved and when I get it.
Well, I like when I finish a SMART goal and I'm a lot better at the skill than I used to be.
It's like not many of these are in our math unit, and each time we pass our goal, that feels good.
We get to use the Chromebooks.
Translations are fun.
When you achieve something, it's fun to get high fives from everybody.
One thing I like about SMART goals is working on something that I should work on. I didn't really think about working on.
I like SMART goals because at times they're fun to do, and I also like when I achieve them because everybody like cheers for you and you just kind of like feel special inside. And I also like them because then I feel good about myself when I get better.